What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. I know it's been a while. I was on holiday, enjoying myself, hitting the gym, making sure that I get those gains. It's been a while, but I really miss gym. But on this video, we gotta clean the system. It's super dusty. This system hasn't been cleaned for a year at least, as far as I know. Same goes for the water. Gotta drain the entire system and replace it with a new one. First thing first, I start with the vacuum cleaner, taking anything excess off. GPU has a woman hair tangled up on the fan. That's crazy. Never seen something like that before. I intend to upgrade this system as well. Massive case, Gamingtech Neo. She did the tube job. As you guys can see, it's not straight. If I was to rebuild this system, I would use frosted tubes and change the entire layout. I mean, that GPU is surviving for their life there. More woman hair. But then again, when you have your PC on the floor, expect to have more dust. Really heavy system. 480mm radiator on front, push and pull setup. Let's continue with this. As you guys can see, I'm removing any excess dust here. At last, I will clean it with a wet wipe or wet tissue. Vacuum cleaner, air duster, compressor, whatever you want to use. But I do intend to get a new compressor. Here I use a mini air duster. Does the job, but for a system like this you need more power. So that's why I will switch to a bigger one. Look at those dust particles, it's absolutely crazy. Obviously I'm wearing a mask with air filtration. You're supposed to do this outside, never do it inside. But last time I did, I had one of the legs snap. They were kind enough to send a new one as a replacement. That's why I don't want to risk it. And it's super heavy. It's super heavy. If I was to do that, you gotta make sure that you drain the system first. Always do it carefully. Or else, if water was to leak on this GPU, you gotta take it apart, make sure everything is dry before you start using it again. So it's not most convenient system, so to say. That's why I will have another test system when I do reviews and stuff. I have the mini version of this case as well. So sometime in future, I will show it to you guys. Absolutely crazy when you don't clean your system. Look at those particles. It's like wool parts. Mental. Make sure to wear some kind of mask. You don't want to breathe in this. Look at that. It's like done by After Effects. Nothing whatsoever I done here. This is completely raw footage. Sorry for blocking the camera view here. Arctic fans are the white ones and the blue ones are Corsair maglev fans. Old generation fans. But absolutely killer for radiators. Obviously these days you have better options. I try to limit the RGB here as much as I can. Got sick of it. This is basically how I clean the system. Fastest way. If you do this, make sure to open all of your windows, cover your keyboard, peripherals, whatever you don't want to have any dust on, because it goes everywhere. And clean it every month. This was just to show to people how dirty a custom loop system can get. The more fans you have, the more dust you attract. And obviously it's an open system, so you can see the backside of the tempered glass, how much dust layer is sitting there. Management, I'm not sure if you guys can see it nicely, but gotta update this system. It's way too big, as you guys can see. And here I got dusty as well. This headset is just amazing. Let's start the system. Everything working fine. So I clean the system in the most simple way, fastest way. If you guys have any suggestions, tell me how you clean your system, like and subscribe. Next time we will drain the system and refill with new water. Great success!